Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how I tone my own hair at home using a product that is ammonia free, no mixing, no brushes, no bowls. I literally just apply this all over my head and leave it anything from like 15 minutes to 45 minutes depending on the intensity that I desire really. There are a range of different tones available to suit everybody's hair type, highlighted, coloured, even natural hair. Let me just give you a run through of the ones that we've got, because I've got a list here. There's Autumn, that's a red one. There's this one here. There is Chili Orange. That one is quite vibrant. You can also dilute them with conditioner, so if you didn't want such a vibrant orange, then you just pop a little bit of that into the conditioner, mix it together, apply that on, and then you don't get such a strong colour. Champagne, mochaccino, cinnamon. There is also a coffee, but we're actually out of stock at the moment. It's really popular, you know, with a brunette to keep that shine injected into the hair. And the River Pearl, this is the one that I use on my hair. It looks a little bit like silver shampoo, although it's not. It's a different texture. It's not a shampoo either. A shampoo is something that you might use weekly or however many times you shampoo your hair. Also, I do recommend that you use the silver shampoo that is sulfate and paraben free if you are gonna do that every time or weekly or whatever. This is why I prefer this. I do actually only do this about once every 3 to 4 weeks. And I'd leave it on for about 45 minutes. I apply mine onto dry hair. You can apply it onto wet hair if you want a less intense look. The things that you'll need to actually do this are a pair of gloves, a clip, a towel, and whatever you're toning with. I'm going to pop this round just to protect your clothing. This is my hair on a normal day. I actually did have it curly, but then I had it up for a few days, so this is what it looks like. I tend to not just put it on like that, I put it into my hand first, so I can sort of rub it in. That's what it looks like. It does actually smell really nice as well, this one. I think out of a bottle like this, you'll probably get around 4 applications if your hair's a little bit finer. My hair is quite thick. It just spreads quite far. So it's on now. I'm just gonna let it do its thing for the next 45 minutes and then I'll come back and show you the end result.